Choosing a motherboard is choosing the skeleton of your PC. It determines stability, temperatures, upgrade paths, storage, speed, and even how long your system will last. This isn't just a generic list. I'm going to explain what each motherboard actually offers in real-world use, so you can make a smart decision. AMD AM5 current generation. ASRock B650 MPG Riptide. This motherboard hits a near-perfect balance between price and performance in the AM5 platform. It's 8-2 plus 1 phase. VRM is strong enough to handle a Ryzen 5 7600 and even a Ryzen 7 7700 without overheating or throttling. It includes two PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, proper heat sinks, and a stable BIOS, which is crucial for DDR5 memory compatibility. It's extremely reliable and future-proof. Gigabyte B650 MDs3H. The DS3H represents pure practicality. Gigabyte, focused on stability and compatibility rather than aesthetics. It offers 4 DDR5 slots, Expo support, and a VRM capable of running mid-range Ryzen processors comfortably. Perfect for users building a modern system efficiently. MS6 Probe 650M Wi-Fi. I designed this board with smart features in mind. It includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and 2 M2 slots. The BIOS is user-friendly, making it a great option for beginners and first-time builders who want a stable system. Asus Prime B650M. Asus focused on reliability over flashy gaming aesthetics. It features solid power, delivery, and electrical protections. ASRock A620M ProRs. The A620 chipset is the entry point into AM5. It significantly lowers the price while providing decent cooling. AMD AM4 Budget Kings MSI B550M PRO VDH. One of the best budget motherboards ever made. It supports PCIe 4.0 and Ryzen 5000 CPU. Asus TUF B550M Plus. A more rugged and premium version. It features larger heatsinks and durable components for long-term use. Gigabyte B550 MD3H. A classic recommendation. It performs reliably across the board with good RAM compatibility and an excellent price. Intel Smart Budget Options. Asus Prime B760M DDR5. An affordable entry into modern Intel platforms with DDR5 support. MSI Probe 760P. A clean, professional-focused motherboard, excellent for multitasking and balanced gaming builds. ASRock B660M ProR has a great choice for budget 12th gen Intel builds. Offers good cooling and reliable performance on a tight budget. What actually matters, VRM powers the CPU and affects stability. Chipset determines features. Connectivity includes M2 and USB ports. Final recommendations. For budget AMD, pair Ryzen 5 5600 with MSI B550M for a future-proof build. Go with Ryzen 5 7600 and B650M. The best motherboard isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that fits your needs without limiting your future.